Hi everybody, it's Christopher Nejman and welcome back to my metallic thread tips. How many of you love the look of crystals? You know, those Swarovski crystals, how beautiful they are? If you watched my last video on metallic thread tips, I was talking about my favorite thread, Sulky Opal. You see? It's absolutely beautiful thread. And what I'm going to do today is teach you how to get the look of a crystal using this thread. And it comes from an old heirloom technique, okay? And my setup on my machine, I have my tension at 3.0 and I've got my width at 3.5. Now you can adjust your width whatever size crystal you really want to make, okay? And then I'm using my Tacony thread stand that's made in the USA, and as you can see, I have my opal color sliver thread by Sulky on there, feeding out from underneath, okay? And I've got a size 12 top stitch needle, and I'm using my purple Bigfoot. I'm going to demonstrate on my duck cloth here, and let's begin and have some fun for the tip of the day. Okay, well, I've got my thread loaded, and all I need to do is hit my never miss needle threader. Awesome. And I'm going to do a stationary zigzag on this fabric. That's all you're going to do. And you're going to go and do in a zigzag, like I mentioned in my setup, and you're just going to zigzag in place many times. This is coming from an old heirloom technique called candle wicking. And we're going to use this flat sliver opal color thread to give us the look of a crystal, like the Swarovski crystals. So all I'm going to do is zigzag in place. And you can hear it build up. You can see it build up. Okay, when you see it's got enough and you hear it start thumping because it's going through a lot, it's built up, I'm going to hit my scissor cutter. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to move this to the next position and zigzag in place. My scissor cutter, move to the next position wherever I want my crystals. Now let's say I wanted well, here, let me see if I can show you, and I'll get you a close-up later at the end of this video. But and you know what, on the bottom of the YouTube video is a little box on the bottom right hand corner. If you click that box, you can blow up the video to watch on your screen, and that's true with all YouTube videos. Now if I want to get a wider, I'm going to go from 3.5, let's take it to 5.0. Let's see what we get at 5.0. We'll get a bigger looking crystal. Thread, go to the next section, cut it, and there we have our looking crystals. Now if I want to do something, if I want to cross one, I'm going to do just a little bit less. Let me show you. I'm going to keep it at 5.0. Let's do a 7.0, okay? I'm going to do a 7.0 width, zigzag over this, and then I'm going to make sure my needle is up. I'm going to turn this, and I'm going to do a cross, okay? For all you fiber artists out there, sewers, quilters that want embellishment, here is a really cool look. I hope this helps you in creating your projects. All you do is you're going to trim the little threads there and then you've got yourself some looking crystals. And with this sliver flat tinsel metallic thread from many different brands, and what I'm using here is, I love the opal from Sulky. It's just so beautiful. When you put, this will take time to do on any garment or any quilt that you're doing, but I will tell you this, When you walk around with this or your project and the light hits it, it's going to bounce off and glisten like a crystal, like fine diamonds in the radiance of a gossamer sun. Thanks for your time, everybody. You have a great day. God bless.